How to create an AI-powered newsletter that engages readers. Let AI handle email content creation. Want to send out engaging newsletters consistently, but hate writing them? Or maybe you're thinking, who has time for this every week? Good news, AI can write your email content for you, and not just any content, but content that your audience will actually open, read, and click. In this video, I'm showing you how to create an AI-powered newsletter from start to send, plus the tools, prompts, and tricks to do it fast. Let's dive in. Why you should use AI for newsletters. Newsletters are one of the best ways to build trust and convert leads, but they're also a huge time commitment. Research writing the content. Creating catchy subject lines. Formatting, segmenting with AI, you can do all of that in minutes instead of hours, and still keep your authentic voice. What an AI newsletter can include. Here's what your AI-powered newsletter can look like. Catchy subject line. Engaging intro. Main value section. Tips, story, update, promo. CTA, click, reply, shop, book, etc. Optional. PS, quote, bonus, or resource. You can use AI to write every section, or just the ones you struggle with. Tools to create AI-powered newsletters. You don't need fancy tools to get started. Here are my go-to favorites. ChatGPT, Claude.ai. Great for generating ideas, body content, subject lines. Flowrite or Copy.ai. For polished email blocks and email templates. Beehiiv, ConvertKit, MailerLite. For sending, segmenting, and analyzing performance. Surge Graph, Headline Studio. For AI-powered subject line optimization. AI prompt formula for email writing. Here's the AI prompt formula I use to create emails fast. Prompt. Template. Write a newsletter email for target audience with the topic, insert topic. Make it tone, friendly, expert, casual, etc. Include a catchy subject line, a strong opening hook, a value-packed middle section, and a CTA at the end. Example. Prompt. Write a newsletter for online coaches about how to stay productive while working from home. Tone, friendly, and motivating. Include a subject line and a CTA to check out a new blog post. You can tweak this for weekly updates, promotions, storytelling, or educational content. Pro tips to maximize engagement with AI newsletters. Use preview text to tease value. Add emojis strategically for readability. Ask questions to invite replies. Segment your list and use AI to tweak messages. Test subject lines with AI for max open rates. AI is your co-writer, but you bring the connection. Don't forget to personalize your intros and sign-offs. Start sending smarter emails with AI. You don't need to stress over newsletters anymore. Let AI help you show up consistently, build stronger relationships with your audience, and get more opens, clicks, and sales. Try the tools I shared. Links are in the description. Use the prompt formula to write your next email. Comment below. What's your newsletter about and how often do you send it? And if this helped you, give it a like. Subscribe for more AI productivity tips and hit that bell so you don't miss the next one.